Ready? Here we go. 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 Ready? Come over here, Riley. We're doing a band. Ready? Go. Back to the bone. Back to the bone. Oh, I was like, you closed it. I know. You're...
The birthday cake is down.
Hello there.
Look at Look at
What a stalker.
It's because she's scared me. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh my gosh.
Are we leaving?
We are.
I don't want to stay here with those weirdos.
I'm getting kicked out. Wait.
They don't even notice. Let's just go.
Is really that crazy?
Yeah.
Wow, you didn't know that?
No, I know. Oh, sorry. I knew.
Oh God.
What?
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Quick, what's wrong with the picture? His underwear aren't off? Yeah, I couldn't find anything down. Oh, I got a card for that, I forgot who. Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
We need $6.
Oh, that's okay. Why?
Because she wants to buy a